And it was free. And I'm talking about free, free. And I would have expected so many people to join because this guy is a brilliant teacher. And there weren't the outcome that I was expecting of people being there. There wasn't, and there should have been. You know, Kobe Bryant talked about it as well. He talked about how he practices so much. He was practicing so much on the fundamentals, and for somebody like me that has, you know, like I said, over a decade of experience, I'm at this workshop, and it's a lot of it was a lot of fundamental things. It was a lot of things of having a growth mindset. But I'm here, and these are the things that like. These are the things I'm passionate about, that I even talk on this channel about. But I'm at this particular workshop, because to me, I constantly want to get better. I don't want to forget these type of things that I've learned along in my journey. So again, finding ways to develop your skill set, you know, also writing out goals. What do you want to achieve this quarter, this year? Being able to do that and then go after it. Hey, family, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Again, I go by the name of ED. As you know, my motto, my slogan. I'm out.